Hello, welcome back students. So today again we are going to continue with the chapter Inside the Atom. This is the third module of Inside the Atom. So let's begin. Students, let's have a look on today's topic. So today you are going to learn about electronic configuration of elements, valency and electronic configuration. Students, before starting with today's topic, let's have a look what you had learned in my previous video. So student, you had learned about distribution of electron, and based on this topic you all had completed one table. That table consists of a symbol, number of shell, formulae and the number of electrons. So based on this formula, 2 into n raised to 2, that is n square. Based on this formula, you had find out the number of electrons in the respective shell, that is K shell, L, M and N. And the number of the shell were 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So student, as you all know, K was the first shell, L was second, M was third and N was fourth. So depending on this, you had put out values in the formula and find out the number of electrons in the shell. So you had came to know that K shell consists of 2 electrons, L shell consists of 8 electrons, M shell consists of 18 and N shell consists of 32 electrons. Student, now let us see about electronic configuration of elements. Student, we have seen that 2, 8, 18, 32 electrons can be accommodated in the shells K, L, M, N respectively. This is the maximum capacity of that shells. The electrons in an atom are distributed in these shells according to their maximum capacity. Okay, this is the maximum capacity. Not more than this number the electron will be accommodated. Okay, the shell wise distribution of electron in an atom of an element is called the electronic configuration of that element. Each electron has a definite energy as per the shell in which it is present. Energy of an electron in the first shell, that is K shell, is the lowest. Energy of electron in the subsequent shell goes on increasing with the ordinal number of the shell. The electronic configuration of an element is such that the energy of all the electrons together is the maximum possible. Electrons get a place in the shells in accordance with the maximum capacity of the electron's shell in an atom and the increasing order of energy. Student, as you can see, a diagram of an atom is given. Okay. As you can see, K shell, L shell, M shell. So based on this, we are going to write a electronic configuration. Okay, for an example, you can see K shell having 2 electrons. The capacity of K shell is 2 electron. Not more than 2 electron will be accommodated in K shell. Okay, 2 से ज़्यादा electrons नहीं आएंगे K shell में. Then L shell की कैपेसिटी होती है 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो अगर 8 से ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हुए तो इसमें नहीं आएगा, फिर उसके लिए एक और शेल बनेगा, दैट इज़ एम शेल. ओके, सो फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल आई विल टेक दी हाइड्रोजन हीलियम एटम. सो हीलियम इज ओनली 2, atomic number is 2, so only the K shell will be there, क्योंकि K shell में only 2 electrons are there and the atomic number of helium is 2. So now I will take carbon. Example, carbon. So carbon का atomic number is 6. So let me distribute the electrons. सो के शेल होगा, के शेल में ओनली 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी देयर क्योंकि उसकी कैपेसिटी ओनली 2, बचा कितना 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। नाउ मोर 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के लिए एल शेल बनाना पड़ेगा, तो एल शेल में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, तो कार्बन के टोटल 2 शेल हुए, के शेल और एल शेल। ठीक है, तो इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा के शेल में कितना 2, एल शेल में कितना 4, तो 2, 4। Now you understood how to write the electronic configuration, मतलब नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन जो शेल में प्रेजेंट है उतना तुमको क्या लिखना होगा, कॉमा करके नंबर्स देने होंगे, वो होते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। Students, let us now look at the electronic configuration of atom of some elements. So on page number 33, table number 5.7 is given. The rows 1 to 3 are filled in this table. Accordingly, you have to fill the rest of the table. Student, as you can see, the table consists of atom, its symbol, electron number in the atom, then distribution of electrons based on its shell, and then lastly electronic configuration or in the numerical form. So student, first 3 row is done for you and the remaining you are going to do. As you can see, first one example we will do hydrogen, number of electron, that means its atomic number is 1. ओके, अगर एटॉमिक नंबर 1 होगा तो उसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन भी 1 होंगे, सो 1 ओनली द स्टार्टिंग शेल दैट इज के शेल, उसमें आएंगे 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन विल बी 1. सो लेट अस सी नाउ थर्ड वन दैट इज लिथियम. ओके, इसका एटॉमिक नंबर है 3. ओके, थर्ड एलिमेंट है, एटॉमिक नंबर 3 है, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी 3 होंगे. अब 3 है तो के शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आएंगे, उसके कैपेसिटी है खाली 2 की. ओके, ओनली 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कैपेसिटी है के शेल के पास, तो 2 हो गया, बचा कितना 1. तो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए एक और शेल बनेगा दैट इज एल शेल, तो उसमें आएंगे 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. ठीक है, बस हो गया, अब बचा ही नहीं एक भी इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो गया 2,1. Students, now look at fourth element that is carbon. Okay, number of electrons that is atomic number. कार्बन का एटॉमिक नंबर क्या है 6. ओके, 6. अब इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं शेल में इसके. ओके, के शेल में कितने आएंगे 2 क्योंकि उसकी कैपेसिटी 2 है, बचा कितना 4. 6 - 2 इज 4, राइट, 4 बचा, तो ये 4 के लिए एक और शेल बनेगा दैट इज एल शेल. अब इसमें पूरा 4 डाल सकते हैं, येस वी कैन अकोमोडेट 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन के एल शेल. ओके, इन एल शेल, तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या होगा 2,4. Now see next one, nitrogen. Its atomic number is 7. That is electron number in the atom is called atomic number 7. अभी 7 में 2 शेल डाल दिए, के शेल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स will accommodate in के शेल. ठीक है, 7 - 2 is 5. अब 5 कहाँ पे accommodate होगा एल शेल में. ठीक है, 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन एल शेल. ठीक है, 2 + 5 is 7, so 2,5 is electronic configuration. Now next is oxygen. So oxygen 8 है, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के शेल में, 8 - 2 कितना हो गया 6 बचा, वो हम डालेंगे एल शेल में. ओके, दैट इज वी विल अकोमोडेट 6 electrons in L shell. So electronic configuration 2,6. Now student, just see sodium. Okay, that is Na. We will do this sodium. Okay, its atomic number is 11. ठीक है, so 2 electrons in K shell. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 electrons बचा. अब 8 electrons will be in L shell. Why 8? Because उसकी कैपेसिटी, L shell की कैपेसिटी है 8. तो we cannot accommodate 9 electrons. Understood? Only 8 electrons will be accommodated in L shell. Okay, remaining 1. 1 के लिए एक और shell form होगा, that is M shell. ठीक है, 1 electron will be in M shell. Now electronic configuration becomes 2, 8, 1. ठीक है, K shell में 2 electrons, L shell में 8 electrons and 1 electrons in M shell. Now student, I want you to do the remaining sum. Now the electronic configuration in the numerical form contains numbers separated by the commas. Here the numbers indicate the electron number in the shell with increasing order of energy. For an example, the electronic configuration of sodium is 2, 8, 1. It means that the total 11 electrons in sodium are distributed as 2 electrons in the shell K, 8 electrons in the shell L, and 1 electron in the shell M. The electronic configuration of an atom can also be represented by the shell diagram as shown in the figure 5.8, which is on page number 34 of your textbook. Students, let us begin with the next topic, that is Valencian electronic configuration. Before beginning with this topic, let us answer some of the questions. For this, I want you student to use your brain power. Think and then see what is the answer. What are the symbols used for the shells which accommodate the electrons in various atoms? Students, think. Okay, here is the answer. K, L, M, N. To the ordinal atom is 1, 2, 3, 4 are used for the shells. What is the symbol and ordinal number of the innermost shell? So here is the answer. The innermost shell of an atom is K with ordinal number 1. Write symbol of electronic distribution in shell of fluorine atom. So here is the answer. Electronic distribution of fluorine is equals to 2, 7 as atomic number is 9. What is the outermost shell of sodium atom? So here is the answer. Sodium atom atomic number is 11. So the electronic configuration will be 2 electrons in K shell. 11 minus 2 is 9. So 8 electrons in L shell and remaining 1 electron will be in M shell. So outermost shell will be M, which is the outermost shell of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen having the atomic number 1, so only 1 electron will be present in the first shell, that is K shell. So K is the outermost shell of hydrogen atom. Students, the concepts regarding valency of an element, chemical bonds in compounds get clarified from the electronic configuration. Atom forms chemical bond by using electron of its outermost shell. Valency of an atom is determined by the configuration of its outermost shell. Student, valency is determined by the outermost shell. Okay, the number of electron which is present in the outermost shell. Therefore, the outermost shell is called valence shell. Also, the electron in the outermost shell are called valence electrons. Student, it can be seen that valency of an atom is related to the number of valence electron in that atom. Let us first look at the element helium and neon. Atoms of both these gases element do not combine with any other atom. ये दोनों के एलिमेंट किसी अलग एलिमेंट के साथ में कंबाइन नहीं होंगे. ओके, वाई? These elements are chemically inert. इनको inert बोला जाता है because their valency is 0. Helium atom contains 2 electrons which are accommodated in the first K shell. अब देख रहे हो helium atom it has only 2 electrons और वो दोनों electrons accommodate हो गए हैं K shell में. तो अब उसकी कैपेसिटी कंप्लीट है, मतलब 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन की कैपेसिटी और दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट है. दैट मीन्स उसकी शेल क्या हो गई? कंप्लीट है. ओके, हीलियम हैज ओनली 1 K शेल दैट कंटेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड द सेम इज ऑल्सो द आउटरमोस्ट शेल. तो इसका आउटरमोस्ट शेल क्या हो जाएगा? K. The electron capacity of K shell is 2. This indicate that the outermost shell of helium is completely filled. ये completely filled है as I told you. It is said that helium has an electron duplet. अब duplet क्यों बोला गया है? क्योंकि इसके outermost shell में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, दोनों filled है, मतलब completely filled है वो shell और 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, तो इसलिए इसको बोला जाता है duplet. The electronic configuration of inert gas neon. अभी neon atom, just have a look on neon atom. It contains 2 shell K and L. इसके 2 shell हैं K and L. L is valence shell of neon. इसको valence shell क्यों बोला गया है L को? क्योंकि outermost बाहर का shell है. The electron capacity of L shell, ठीक है, L shell की कैपेसिटी कितनी है? 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की. That the valence shell of neon is completely filled. अब वो भी completely filled है ना, उसकी कैपेसिटी 8 है और वो completely filled है. It is said that neon has an electron octet. Student, why octet? Because L shell की कैपेसिटी होती है 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की और उसका पूरा 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, तो वो शेल completely filled हो गया है और इसलिए उसे बोला गया है इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्टेट. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन ड्यूप्लेट और इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्टेट होता है, मतलब कंप्लीटली फिल्ड होता है उनका आउटर मोस्ट शेल, तभी ड्यूप्लेट और ऑक्टेट बोला जाता है. तो उनकी वैलेंसी होती है 0. नाउ हैव अ लुक ऑन आर्गन एटम. आर्गन इज एन इनर्ट गैस. इसको भी इनर्ट बोला गया है, मतलब वैलेंसी 0, मतलब कंप्लीटली फिल्ड. हैविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन इन दिस शेल K, L and M. अब इसके पास 3 शेल है. द इलेक्ट्रॉन कैपेसिटी ऑफ M शेल इज 2 × 3⁻², दैट इज 18. ठीक है, M शेल की कितनी कैपेसिटी है? 18 की. हाउएवर इन आर्गन देयर आर ओनली 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द वैलेंस शेल M. It means that there are 8 electrons in the valence shell of inert gases. That is an electron octet. From this it is understood that the valency is 0. When electron octet or duplet is complete, then the valency will be 0. The electronic configuration of elements other than the inert gases show that they do not have electron octet or their electron octet are incomplete. Student, as I told you, the electronic configuration of elements other than inert gases as I told you, जिनका भी outermost shell complete होता है, ओके, completely filled होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन से, जिनकी वैलेंसी 0 होती है, उन्हें इनर्ट गैसेस बोला जाता है. So other than inert gases show that they do not have electron octet or the electron octet are incomplete. Regarding hydrogen, it can be said that its electron duplet is incomplete. As you can see, only one electron is there in the outermost shell of hydrogen. Hydrogen require one more electron to complete its shell. ठीक है, इसके शेल को कंप्लीट करने के लिए एक और इलेक्ट्रॉन लगेगा, तो वो इनकम्प्लीट हुआ. दैट इज़ वाई इसे इनर्ट गैसेस नहीं कहा जाता है. Atom of all the elements except inert gases have tendency to combine with other atoms, meaning that they have a non-zero valency. ओके स्टूडेंट, जो इनर्ट गैस होगा वो किसी के साथ में भी रिएक्शन नहीं करेगा, कंबाइन नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि उसका शेल कंप्लीट होता है. तो वो कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन, कोई भी एटम का इलेक्ट्रॉन ले भी नहीं सकता है और अपना एटम अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दे भी नहीं सकता है. तो वो कोई भी रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता है, किसी के साथ में भी कंबाइन नहीं करता है. बट अदर देन इनर्ट गैस, ओके, एलिमेंट अदर देन इनर्ट गैस जो नॉन ज़ीरो होते हैं, जिनकी आउटर मोस्ट शेल इनकम्प्लीट होती है, वो कंबाइन करते हैं अदर एटम्स के साथ टू रिएक्ट. ओके, यू हैव सीन फ्रॉम द फॉर्मूले ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स फॉर्म्ड बाय कॉम्बिनेशन with hydrogen, for example H2 HCl, that valency of hydrogen is 1. The electronic configuration of hydrogen shows that there is one electron less than the complete duplet state. This number 1 matches with the valency of hydrogen, which is also 1. Moreover, it is learned that the electronic configuration of sodium, that is 2,8,1, has one electron in the valence shell, and the valency of sodium is also 1. As seen from the molecular formula NaCl, NaH, etc. It means that there is some relation between the valency of an element and the number of electrons in its valence shell. Student, the following table, which is on page number 35 of your textbook, shows molecular formulae, symbol of element, valency of element, electronic configuration of element, number of valence electron, that is X, and last one is 8 minus X. Student, you will do 8 minus X for when 8 is more than 4. Okay, so 2 column is done for you. Let us see the first one. Symbol of element is H. Its molecular formula HCl, that is compound. So valency of the element is 1. How 1? We will see this. Electronic configuration is 1 because atomic number is 1. That is why 1. So number of valence electron will be 1 and valency of element will be 1. We will not find 8 minus X because X is less than 4. That is 1. Let us see now second one, Cl, that is chlorine. ठीक है, कंपाउंड कौन सा है? HCl. अगेन इसकी वैलेंसी ऑफ द एलिमेंट 1. हाउ 1? वी विल सी दैट. क्लोरीन की एटॉमिक नंबर इज 17. Okay, atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration is 2,8,7. Number of valence electron is 7. X is 7. Why? Because outermost shell में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 7. ठीक है, अब ये 7 ज़्यादा है 4 से. Okay, X is more than 4. फिर we will minus 8 minus X. So 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. That is why the valency will be 1. Now we will do third sum, that is Ne, neon. Okay, No compound because this is inert gas. That is why compound is not there. So valency will be 0. Why 0? Because inert means outermost shell is completely filled. So 2, 8, 8. 18 is the atomic number of neon. Okay. So number of valence electron is 8. Why 8? क्योंकि outermost shell में 8 electron है. That is why 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. So valency is 0. Now let us see fourth one, that is F, fluorine. Compound is HF. Valency is 1. How 1? We will see that. The atomic number of fluorine is 9. So that is why the electronic configuration is 2, 7. So number of valence electron is 7 क्योंकि outermost shell में 7 है. 8 minus 7 is 1. Valency is 1. अब फिफ्थ वाला इज सोडियम. स्टूडेंट, ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सबसे पहले सोडियम का एटॉमिक नंबर इज 11. ओके, तो 11 तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन राइट डाउन 2, 8, 1. 1 मिलने के बाद में नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी 1. तो 8 माइनस एक्स नहीं फाइंड आउट करेंगे, इसलिए डैश, और इसका जो 1 है वही इसकी वैलेंसी भी 1 हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट इज मैग्नीशियम. मैग्नीशियम कंपाउंड इज Mg, मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड. अब इसका एटॉमिक नंबर इज 12. सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में सबसे पहले लिखूंगी 2, 8, 2. अब 2 अगेन 4 से कम है, तो इसलिए इसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 2, तो इसका 8 माइनस एक्स नहीं करेंगे, तो जो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है वही वैलेंसी हो जाएगी. Now student, I want you to do 7th and 8th one. Student, always remember valency of an element is same as the number of its valence electrons if this number is 4 or less than 4. On the other hand, when an element has 4 or more valence electrons, the number of electron by which the octet is short of completion is the valency of that element. Student, one more table is given on page number 36 in your test book. So here the element, its number of electron is already given. You are going to write out the electronic configuration, number of valence electron and the valency. So lithium electronic configuration will be 2, 1. Its number of valence electron will be 1 and valency will be 1. And the last one I will do for you, that is oxygen. Its 8 is electrons, that means electronic configuration will be 2, 6. क्यों? क्योंकि 2 electrons will be in K shell and remaining 6 electron will be in L shell. ठीक है, ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो गया. तो नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन जो आउटर मोस्ट शेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होगा वही वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा, तो 6. एंड वैलेंसी इज 8 minus 6, that is 2. As formula was there, x minus 8 minus x. So 6 is there, 8 minus 6 is 2. तो वैलेंसी क्या हो जाएगी? 2. Now carbon and magnesium you are going to do. One more column is there. You are going to do this column. So student, I want you all to do a small assignment based on this video. Is diagrammatic sketch of electronic configuration of magnesium. Atomic number is 12. Again, diagrammatic sketch of electronic configuration of sulfur. Atomic number is 16. Diagrammatic sketch of electronic configuration of silicon with atomic number 14. Diagrammatic sketch of electronic configuration of oxygen with atomic number 8. What is mean by atomic number of an element? Atomic number of some elements are given here. Write down the number of electron present in the outermost shell of each of them. Elements: helium, atomic number is 2. Lithium, atomic number is 3. Oxygen, atomic number is 8. Magnesium atomic number is 12 and carbon atomic number is 6. So student, today we will stop here. In my next upcoming video, we are going to cover the remaining topics of this chapter. Student, if you like my video and you want me to make such an educational video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then student, take care. Thank you.